wonderful workshop organized by our school, St. Margaret Secondary School. Our school is in Prashantpura, D Block, Rohini. So I have attended this workshop since last 3 days, and I have learned a lot of things. We have gained a lot of information, how to work in a class, how to stand in a class, how you can interact with the children, and how can you be the friends of children. First of all, what I have learned is like that, be very polite with your children, be humble, and be a friend of your children. For example, I have learned how to do brainstorming sessions, how to teach my subjects, as well as how to incorporate different subjects. Teacher is always the learner whose learning process never ends. So being a teacher, I have learned a lot of information from this particular workshop, and I'm very happy. I hope this kind of workshop we are going to have more in our future.
I'm a PRT English teacher in St. Margaret Senior Secondary School. They taught us how we can bring innovation in our classes, how we can bring creativity to our classroom, how we can involve our students in whatever topic we are teaching. Use their previous knowledge. They are doing something wrong, we can motivate them by saying yes and taking it in a positive way, so that from next time onwards they can build a positive attitude and can do something very good. Like if a child is not able to recite the whole poem and has recited only 2 lines, you can still clap for him or her, so that he or she can get motivated and learn the whole poem for the next attempt. And we can always involve everyone in the class. We can conduct our class in a way in which we can involve all the subjects, which is STEM education. We can involve science, maths, in English as well, and arts. We can involve arts in each and every subject. We have learnt a lot of things which are very beneficial for us and for others as well. I need to thank everyone for conducting this session and making it a successful one. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Priyanka Nara. I am a teacher in St. Margaret Senior Secondary School, Prashantpura. I am taking the nursery classes there, and we are really grateful to them for imparting such good knowledge about the innovative ideas of teaching. As we all know, it's the need of the hour. With the changing times, we have to change ourselves. Though we all know whatever has been taught in the class, we are already knowing this. But how to innovate ourselves, update ourselves, they have taught us, in which everybody participated. It was truly a wonderful experience attending this class.
I'm Ms. Kathy from St. Margaret, Science. How we can innovate our teaching practices to give an impactful impression to our students, which will obviously enhance their learning abilities, and that will obviously enhance our teaching abilities also. So teaching is, we all know how to teach, but to inculcate new things, new ways to give a nice platform for the students to learn in a holistic way. How to teach and what different things we can use to enhance our teaching. So it was obviously, I absolutely want to thank Dr. Rashmi and Dharamraj sir. Obviously, one thing that I obviously liked was that you have to bring out certain surprises when you go to the class. Topic on a positive note, on a cheerful note. So all in all, it was a wonderful workshop, and I personally loved it. Thank you so much to everyone. Thank you.
Actually, teaching itself is innovative, and we just tried our best to inculcate STEAM education, that is science, technology, engineering, arts and maths,